नमस्कार दोस्तों. Greetings to everyone.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Hello everyone.
We are here to discuss something which made us feel bad. Very, very bad.
Let me remind you, we are sharing this message to build peace and harmony within ourselves.
We have been witnessing all kinds of shaming, bullying, and what not.
In the recent times, a few incidents that happened shook us, which compelled us to take up this topic. A so-called prestigious reporter and a so-called famous comedian went on to shame a Hindu god.
Any type of bullying or shaming is dangerous, and today it has become a habit. Today we are seeing cases of culture shaming in India.
In the recent times, we have moved away from our practices. That's your choice, that's my choice. But my point here is criticizing it and shaming it is not really your choice.
It is the lowest form anybody could stoop to. A good friend of mine went on to say that he is not proud of being a Hindu just because of their inclination towards a political party.
If your political ideology or your social circle compels you to mock the ancient continuing civilization and makes you not believe in it, it's your right. I totally agree with it. But shaming and bullying others who follow it in itself is against the constitutional right and not called for.
Namaskar with folded hands was shamed and was replaced by a handshake.
But now it has become an international norm, and we are seeing the other countries follow it and accept it.
Ayurveda was not given importance because it was considered to be cheap.
But now it is one of the better forms of treatment.
Yoga was replaced with stretching exercises and other various forms of exercises
But today it is used as a practice to soothe your body mentally and physically.
Our very own culture, festivals, traditions, etc. all were targeted in the name of extremism.
But we are the ones who simply believe in nature, worship nature, and respect nature. Unfortunately, this is termed as extremism.
Our women are sometimes taught, preached, and ordered not to wear bindi or bangles in certain places.
However, the same women are proving their potential and proving their achievements in every field, every sector.
So, following traditional culture and also obeying modern practices is what constitutes the basic philosophy of Sanatan Dharma,
where all views are accepted irrespective of caste, creed, color, religion, place of birth, beat anything.
We are forced to believe that we are culturally backwards, due to which we are accepting this culture shaming. But it is a forced mindset.
It's high time. Let us stop all of this. We have the right to practice what we want.
Proudly flaunt your beliefs, flaunt your practices and your heritage.
Do not worry about what others would say.
Do not worry about the way you are being judged.
Just be yourself. Stop shaming people.
Respect everyone and their beliefs.
Be proud of your practices and belief systems.
Do not shame another person's beliefs or practices.
Please do share this message. Please do share this video. If you like it, follow us and subscribe our channel.
Dhanyavad. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Thank you.